scale is that all of the open strings are in it. So those are the first two chords. In this first position, I'm open on that E string, open, and then 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 11, second string, or the fifth string rather, open again, second, third, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, and then fourth string, open, second, fourth at F sharp, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, and then the open G string, A, and then B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G, and then that B string, open B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B up to the 12th fret, and then first string, open E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, and E up to the 12th fret. There's an A minor chord. It's also going to be in this lower F. It's the second theme, beginning with the G major 7th chord. Also, we're from G major 7 to the D minor. A minor. To C. Back to G. That major 7th. Gives a very rich sound. That F sharp, which is the sharp 4th, makes it feels like it'll go to G, but it's not in G major, it's in C major. Fun scale. Fun riff. It's Guitar Bobby. Thanks for watching.